The blueprint or framework for conducting any marketing research project is called research design. From the decision maker's perspective, a good research design is that which can provide information which are accurate, current, sufficient, available and relevant. Broadly, it can be classified as exploratory or conclusive research designs. The objective of exploratory research design is to provide insights and understanding of the nature of market phenomena, while the objective of conclusive research design is to test specific hypotheses and examine relationships. Exploratory research design intends to understand, while conclusive research design intends to measure. Exploratory research designs are characterized by information needed may be loosely defined. Research process is flexible, unstructured and may evolve. Samples are small. Data analysis can be qualitative or quantitative. Conclusive research designs are characterized by information needed is clearly defined. Research process is formal and structured. Sample is large and aims to be representative. Data analysis is quantitative. The findings or results of exploratory research designs can be used in their own right, may feed into conclusive research, may illuminate specific conclusive findings. The findings or results of conclusive research designs can be used in their own right, may feed into exploratory research, may set a context to exploratory findings. The methods used in exploratory research designs are expert surveys, pilot surveys, secondary data, qualitative interviews, unstructured observations, quantitative exploratory multivariate methods, and the methods used in conclusive research designs are surveys, secondary data, databases, panels, structured observations, experiments,